huge. Should have started counting that time. I'm just gonna go with 640. How long has my GoPro been on? Oh wow, okay. Whoops. I'm over double the time I needed. I can't count past 12. Brother! He actually gave me the old hand wave. A brother I respect. Alright, so, I've just now, at this very second, come to the conclusion that, well, this part of the road is really bad, but also that the very next video I make might be the final one for the year. Because, like I said last video, I can't go riding for a week now after this because of work. And if it's already this cold now, and it's supposed to only get colder within a week, it's going to be rough. So, next video is probably going to be the last one for the year. Last actual, like, moto vlog for the year. Not that you'll see this before 2025, but I mean, like, for this season. I did go pretty hard on stockpiling the videos and grinding them out and stuff. So most months are still going to be 2 a week, I think. Actually, no, I think there's like 2 months that aren't, 2.5 months. But not a huge break. Just curious. Like Rick said, though, I am indeed babying this bike. Still gotta get used to it before I start riding like a complete idiot. Just kidding, I won't do that. I'm literally shaking RN. Like literally, no, I actually am. It's fucking freezing cold. This sucks. Oh, no. Come on. Don't make me stop. Yes. Works every time. I think I went a little too fast. Because like I said, the bike's supposed to be running for 10 minutes before you shut it back off. And right up here is the point where I shut it back off. And it's only been 8 minutes, I think. So I'm just going to have to idle for a little bit. Fire again. Oh, I can see it this time. Look at that. And it's intentional. I was going to start making like caveman noises because big fire, but I decided not to. I'll get off the shoulder. Sit here and idle for a little bit. Probably could have shut the bike off by now, but I'm paranoid. And this might not even work. Hello? Oh, no, I'm good. Thank you. Yeah, I'm just doing a test type thing. Thank you. Oh. That's the first time I've had that happen on a bike that I wasn't demolished on. That's crazy. Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate it. I was like, what's about to happen? It's not off. Let's go. That's fantastic. But why? I had that light on before I got the enhanced inspection, literally the day before. I went riding around and was like, oh great, this is gonna suck. Now I gotta figure that out. Went home, shut the bike off, turned it back on, and it was cleared. I was like, oh, okay, well that worked. That has not happened, as you can see. I mean, who knows, maybe once I get into my driveway, turn it off, if I were to turn it back on, maybe it'll be gone. Maybe. But I doubt it, because I've gone on all these rides with it. I just legitimately did the code clearing procedure. I think so. And it's still there. Uh-oh. Oh, sweet. He went straight across. I thought he was going to get me for a rolling stop. My fingertips have gone completely numb. The only, good thing about this riding season ending is this is the first year ever that my bikes will be kept inside a garage for the winter. So I'm happy about that. Not happy about the price, but I'm happy about the fact that I now have a garage to store my bikes in. So at least there's that. Oh, is that it? So that was a cop car at one point. I don't think it still is. I've run out of stuff to talk about, not gonna lie. And I'm almost home, kind of. So I think I'm gonna wrap this one up now. I don't know why I said for now, because it's not like I'm gonna resume it. Anyways, thank you for watching. Thank you to that lady who pulled over and asked if I needed any help. Well, she didn't pull over, she backed up. She backed that thing up to me and said, you need any help. So thank you for that. I appreciate it. Anytime I need help, people don't offer, but you did, so I'm very thankful for that. So I hope that lady has a nice rest of her night, and I hope you guys do as well. I'll see you next time. 7 p.m. riding around, 45 degrees. I ain't got no feelings in my hands or my knees. Fuck this, dude. It's too cold. Also, I hope you guys know that song, or you're gonna be like, what are you talking about?